Alright guys, this is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install a stretchy belt, and we're going to be using this special tool right here. This is readily available online and in many parts stores. There's no shortage of these things and they're pretty cheap. I'll post a link in the description down below to this, and by the way, this is my own. I bought it with my own money. I just think it's a really great tool and it really helps with these stretchy belts. So you probably already noticed, you see you got this remove written on this side here, and then on the other side you have install. So you're going to be using the remove side, of course, to remove it. And you see you got that little cleft right there that fits right over your pulley like so. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn our crank and work that thing in there, and that's going to pull the belt right off. Alright, we're going to go ahead and turn this crank pulley, and while we're doing that, we're going to kind of assist this belt onto this tool, and it's just going to slide it right off the front of the pulley. There we go. Now the installation, of course, is the reverse procedure, and you can see on this side it says install. So we're going to put the install side up like that, and there's a cleft on it right there. Sit it right there. Take your belt, go ahead and run it on your other pulleys and end with the pulley that you're using the tool on. Go ahead and assist it and run it up just a little bit there. Keep the belt in the grooves on the other pulleys while you're doing this. Alright, so we got it kind of taut right now, and we're just going to do the same thing we did earlier with the crank pulley. We're just going to turn it until the belt is ran on, and assist the belt on your other pulleys to make sure that it doesn't come out of the grooves on the other pulleys. So just rotate that just like this. There you go. Well, there you go, guys. I certainly hope that this helped somebody. By the way, when you're done, go ahead and check over all your pulleys and make sure the belt is in all the grooves and that the belt isn't halfway coming out of the grooves on other pulleys. If so, go ahead and correct that. Guys, thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Thank you.